Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick video sharing my tips for removing dark nail polish. The color I'm wearing right now is OPI's You're Cute When You Whine. It's a really deep purple with a little bit of shimmer, and normally these kinds of polishes are a nightmare to remove and often leave your nails looking a little something like this afterwards. So if you're someone who always finds themselves with sloppy nails and cuticles after removing a dark polish, this video is going to be for you. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab some lotion. It doesn't have to be any particular lotion. I'm using this Nivea cream and I like it because it's really thick. I'm going to take a little bit of it and just rub it on my fingertips and around my nails. It's totally fine if a little bit gets on the nail. Just make sure that you cover that entire area because it's going to keep the skin hydrated and add a layer of protection. When that's done, grab your nail polish remover. I usually prefer 100% acetone, but regular remover works just as well. Saturate a cotton ball or a cotton pad and then apply it with a lot of pressure to your nail. Now the key here is not to move the cotton round once it's on the nail. Just hold it in place and hold it really, really tight. You're going to want to do this for about 40 to 60 seconds, depending on how dark the polish is and how many coats you're wearing. But after about 45 seconds, while keeping the pressure and holding that pad in place, you're going to wiggle your finger from left to right without moving the cotton round, just moving your finger, and gently slide it out from underneath. If you do this correctly, you'll be left with a perfectly clean fingernail without a stitch of polish in sight. And the cotton round will basically reveal an identical imprint of your polish that has transferred over. So I'm going to do the same thing with 100% acetone on my other fingers just because it goes a lot quicker. Soak a cotton round, apply it to the nail, hold it in place with a good amount of pressure, and then rotate my finger from left to right underneath and gently slide it out. You only have to wait about 15 or 20 seconds when using 100% acetone because it really does work so much quicker, but you're going to get the same exact results. Just an imprint of that nail left on the cotton pad. I'm going to find a clean spot on the pad and repeat these steps on the rest of my fingers. Again, the key here is not to rub the cotton pad into your fingernail, but to push your fingernail into the cotton pad, if that makes sense. So by keeping it in place, you're going to avoid getting any polish onto the skin and around or under the nail. What I love about this technique is that I can usually remove all of my polish using only one cotton round per hand. When prior to using this method, I would go through at least 6 or 8 cotton balls when I would remove a dark manicure. Once your polish has been removed, wash your hands, grab some cuticle oil and apply a little bit to each finger and you're done. These tips make removing any traditionally stubborn polish or glitter a breeze, and it'll save you from all that extra cleanup. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and if you have any other removal tips to share, please leave them in a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.